The Bosch Dishwasher E28 error code indicates a faulty flow sensor, resulting in no smooth water flow into the dishwasher or dirty water, which causes the machine to repeat the same rinsing cycle and trigger the error. This issue may occur due to a faulty turbidity sensor or a faulty aqua sensor. To resolve the problem, inspect the turbidity sensor by unplugging the machine, removing the base where the sensor is located, and carefully checking for any blockages or dirt. Clean the area, reassemble the machine, and test if it's working. Alternatively, check the aqua sensor by resetting the dishwasher, turning it off for at least 5 seconds and then back on. If the issue persists, use a multimeter to test the aqua sensor's continuity. If the turbidity sensor is faulty and needs replacement, contact the manufacturer's customer service for assistance. Resetting the dishwasher or replacing the faulty sensor should resolve the E28 error code issue.